Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Located in southeast Ontario near the Quebec border, Ottawa may seem an unlikely choice for Canada's capital when compared to the bigger cities like Toronto and Montreal. But that doesn't mean it should be ignored. When you visit, you will see this city doesn't fall short. It is small yet lively, family friendly yet nightlife ready, somewhat chilly yet undeniably cool. Ottawa is a political and cultural hub that particularly caters to the out of towner. Its downtown overflows with jaw dropping architecture, state of the art museums, funky boutiques, and fantastic snack joints that are all easy for you to explore on foot. Plus, this is a city that loves to celebrate, hosting dozens of festivals throughout the year. And while the cold weather may seem like a deterrent, a few hours of ice skating or sipping hot coffee along the Rideau Canal will transform even the most stubborn summer lover into a winter buff. Prince Edward Island. Prince Edward Island is a home to rolling green hills, red sandstone cliffs, and a delicious bounty of seafood. This island is a place to travel for a relaxing respite from Canada's more adventure driven destinations. When you are not enjoying the beach, you can perfect your swing at one of the island's golf courses. When here, make sure to keep an eye out for the island's seal population. There are four kinds of seals which call the island home either full time or part time. Snow-capped peaks and powdered steeps, sparkling lakes and gushing waterfalls, challenging hiking trails and inviting restaurants. Whistler's offerings suit every season. However, its most popular attraction remains Whistler Blackcomb. The massive resort spans more than 8,100 acres of land, sees nearly 40 feet of snow annually, and boasts some of the most attractive après ski resorts in North America. Whistler continues to buzz through the warmer months when more outdoor enthusiasts come out to play. While Whistler is an ideal vacation spot for the active types, More mellow travelers will enjoy the area's museums and art galleries that are filled with informative exhibits. Plus, the town boasts family friendly activities and attractions like ice skating, summer concerts, and along with them, plenty of shopping options and a deluge of dining venues. Toronto is as cosmopolitan as they come. To newcomers, Toronto may seem just like another big city. Downtown is dotted with skyscrapers, the city streets are bustling with people on the go, and public transportation system is top notch. But when you lift up the hood of Canada's biggest city, you will find that there is more to the eye than amazing skyline. Toronto is considered one of the most culturally diverse cities in the world, with more than half the population born outside the city. Toronto houses 200 ethnic groups that speak upward of 140 different languages, making this Ontario destination a world of its own. With Greektown, Little Italy, Koreatown, and Chinatown all within city limits, travelers may feel as if they have seen more than a couple of countries after a visit to Toronto. The city is also home to one of the tallest freestanding towers in the world, the CN Tower, and the world's largest underground shopping mall, Path. Although it's only a 90-minute ferry ride from bustling Vancouver, British Columbia's capital city, may as well be a world away. Taking the opposite approach from its youthful neighbor, Victoria excludes a quainter atmosphere. Resting on the southern tip of Vancouver Island, this relatively small city remains deeply rooted to its colonial past, establishing distinctively British traditions like afternoon tea at the Fairmont Empress and a pint at the pub. But that doesn't mean this destination is strictly reserved for the Anglophiles. Despite its nostalgic tendencies, this city attracts a variety of travelers with excellent museums that celebrates its aboriginal heritage, charming architecture, and fantastic harbor views. But don't limit yourself to the inner harbor. There's much more to this region than manicured gardens and afternoon tea. Vancouver Island is also known for its stretching beaches and verdant wineries. From downtown Victoria, drive to Souk, a vibrant boating and fishing town, or make your way out to the Cowichan Valley, where you will find rows of wine-laden grapes. Just make sure you bring your camera, as the scenery is sure to delight even the most jaded traveler. Quebec City, the capital of Canadian province Quebec, dwelled in the shadow of its neighbor Montreal for a long time. But the 2008 celebration of its 400th birthday catapulted the Quebec city back into the spotlight. Since then, travelers have flocked here to experience this UNESCO World Heritage Site's charm for themselves. As the birthplace of New France, Quebec City continues to uphold the culture of its motherland. Upon passing through the fortified walls of Old Quebec, you will discover a world straight out of the European painting. 17th and 18th century building house, bakers, bistros and boutiques. Cobbled squares are drowned by sea of cafe tables, and around every corner a piece of Quebec City's rich heritage awaits discovery. There's only one word that really captures the essence of Montreal: multi-faced. This city represents the meddling of the old and the new worlds, with 18th century structures blending into a 21st century skyline. Old fashioned houses are now home to funky fusion restaurants, and the familiar sound of English is juxtaposed against the rolled R's of the French. This versatile city's top attraction include world-class museums and bustling marketplaces. You can start your tour along the ancient cobblestone streets of Via Montreal. Here you can explore historic cathedrals or grab a cappuccino at one of the traditional French cafes along Boulevard Saint Laurent. If history doesn't excite you, head to the bustling downtown area for an afternoon of shopping, to Parc du Mont Royal for a hike. Just make sure to save some energy for when the sun sets. Montreal, especially Rue Saint Denis, is known for a nightlife scene that continues until the wee hours of the morning. Even by North American standards, Vancouver is a young city. But what it lacks in history, it compensates for in scenery. Surrounded by mountains and beaches, Vancouver is both an urban and a natural playground. Its chic atmosphere, high fashion boutiques, and fondness for health conscious eating have earned it a nickname: Hollywood North. Vancouver and its breathtaking backdrop has been the setting for a bevy of popular television shows and major motion pictures. So don't be surprised if you recognize landmarks from your favorite scenes or stumble upon a production in progress. Hiking, mountain biking, kayaking, whitewater rafting, and skiing will beckon to your adventurous side. If you are looking for a little rest and relaxation, try lounging around the 11 miles of beaches or in one of the numerous parks. During the cold weather, you can duck inside one of the top-notch museums or swing your kids by one of the family-friendly attractions like Granville Island or the Capilano Suspension Bridge. When you add excellent shopping, dining and nightlife scenes to the mix, you'll see why many praise Vancouver as a go-to gateway for the multi-faced traveler. It is not hard to understand why many consider Niagara Falls a top natural wonder of the world, or why it has been a location of some incredible daredevil antics over the years. The second you see the mammoth Niagara River rumbling towards a 188-foot waterfall at about 20 to 30 miles per hour, your mouth will drop. The speed at which the river falls create a misty fog and an unmistakable roar heard from miles away. Over the years, Niagara has gone from classic honeymoon spot to cheesy honeymoon spot, and now it is an odd mix of the two. In addition to the stunning waterfall, there is a large concentration of quickie wedding chapels and hotels backlit in blaring neon. So hop in the two-seater with your special someone, or pack your family in a minivan and take a spectacular trip to the majestic Niagara Falls. Reflecting the simplicity of the nature, the Banff National Park is a first among the national parks discovered in the Canadian Rockies of Alberta. The findings of this national park was traced by three railway workers in 1883. Starting off with the discovery of the natural hot water springs, this national park is indeed a hidden gem amidst the scenic beauty of Canada. Settled at the Canadian Rocky Mountains and declared as a World Heritage Site by the UNESCO, this ancient treasure is surrounded by monolith mountains which are as old as 120 million years, making it a great destination for enjoying the arsenal beauty and adventurous activities. There are around 53 species of mammals found in the vicinity of Banff National Park. The visitors can easily spot an elk, deers, bighorn sheep, and tiny animals like Columbian ground squirrels and chipmunks. The grizzly bears, black bears, wolf, and rarer cougar are some of the rare species which can be spotted once in a while around the park. Thank you for watching the video.